What are we gonna play with today? Whew. Oh, Peep, that was a long trip in the moving van. It looks like we're in the North Pole! Yay! Oh, I see Santa Claus. Wait, Peep. Oh no! Ducky! It looks like Ducky's stuck in the iceberg. What are we gonna do, Peep? I think we should call Buzz Lightyear. Did somebody say Buzz Lightyear? Friends. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. Whoa, no, Ducky! Ducky, It seems like my superpowers are not working right now. But I know just the answer, and I know who can help us. Ducky? Ducky! Oh, Ducky, you have to help us, Buzz. Hold on, I will be right back. Somebody who can help us has special ice powers. Do you know who our friend is who can help us that has ice powers? Let's go find her in the enchanted forest. Oh, Elsa! Elsa! Where's Elsa? Oh, here I am. Hi, Buzz. How can I help? Elsa, you are just the person that can help. We need to get Ducky stuck out of a frozen iceberg. Oh, no. I know just the friend who can help me out. Oh, Mr. Narwhal. Yay, Narwhal! Let's go and help Ducky! Hello, I'm Mr. Narwhal! Ducky, I will help you! Oh no, let's stand aside! Oh no! Ducky! Ha! Oh, I knew I could do it! Hooray! Ho, ho, ho! You've done well, and you've saved Ducky. Everybody gets a candy cane! Yay! Well, our job here is done. It looks like everyone is a hero, and we saved Ducky. I'm so happy to be out of there. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to see what we're gonna play with tomorrow.